Click on search bar and type here task manager. After that, click here to open it. Select run as administrator. Now it will open a new window. Then select file, click on run new task, and from here click on browse button. Then go to this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. Now open this folder, scroll down, select this file cmd.exe and click on open. Then check this box and click on OK. To avoid mistakes, we already have list of commands to make it easy for you. For that, open Google Chrome web browser, then type hows.tech Windows commands and hit enter. Now click on this link, which is from www.hows.tech. Now just scroll down and then copy command number 12. Simply select this, right click on it and select copy. Now right click on command prompt to paste that command and hit enter. After that, copy command number 13. Now type exit to close the command prompt window. Simply type exit and hit enter. Click on search icon and click here, search for settings. Click here to open it. On this window, click on Windows Update. Then click on check for updates. This will take some time to complete the process. After that, download and install the latest version. Once done, close this window and go to search bar. Then type troubleshoot settings and click here to open it. After that, go to other troubleshooters. Then scroll down and click on run from Windows Store apps. This will try to detect the problems and resolve it. Once done, close this window. Then go to search bar and type here settings. Click here to open it. Then go to apps tab. Then select apps and features. Now just scroll down and from the Microsoft Photos, go to advanced options. Scroll down. Simply click on repair. After that, we need to select reset option. Now close this window. Then go to search bar and type here Microsoft Store. Click here to open it. Then search for Microsoft Photos. Click here to open it. Simply you need to update your Microsoft Photos. After that, search for HEIF image extension and click here to open it. Again, update this one. Once done, close this window. Finally, restart the system, which is very important. Before you do that, like this video. God bless.